Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. Welcome to February. This is your reminder video from the 12 days of Christmas. There were quite a few of y'all that wanted me to remind you every month of what your wish was so that you could carry along with that in that month. So here we are in February, and for the month of February, I wished for you to cleanse your space, your life, your mind, anything that needed cleansing or purifying. And I also suggested that maybe February would be a good time to do some decluttering. Maybe you can declutter your house. There's some items that you need to declutter in your house that would make you feel better. I am currently decluttering my closet because it is packed full of clothes that I never wear. So I'm going through my closet. A couple of weeks ago, I went through my kitchen and my laundry area, and I can't tell you the things that I got rid of. I had a juicer that it wasn't even my juicer. I've been toting this juicer around for, I don't know, maybe about 4 years. So I got rid of that. I got rid of some pots and pans that I don't use. Bowls, I mean, just anything. I'm going to sound like Marie Kondo? Marie Kondo. If it does not bring you joy, get rid of it. You don't need to hold on to any of that stuff. Just get rid of it. There's several other areas of my home that I am going to be working on decluttering this month. And I am still decluttering my inbox because it drives me crazy. I'm unsubscribing from all of those emails so that I don't have all of that stuff in my inbox. I actually have 2 email addresses. The other email address that I use for this YouTube channel, and I had subscribed to, gosh, all of the different brands. And, you know, I get 20, 30 emails a day with all of the new releases, and I'm like, oh my gosh, and I'm trying to keep up, and should I buy that, and should I do, I'm unsubscribing from all of that stuff because it just keeps your mind cluttered. And you can also declutter your mind as well. All of those things that don't make you feel good, all of the things from the past, you can let all of that stuff go. You do not have to hold on to it. Like I said in day 2 of the 12 days of Christmas video, when your home, your office, your life, your mind is cluttered, it makes you feel bad about yourself. It can bring your energy down and make you feel really down on yourself. And I also said, what does that have to do with the beauty channel? When you do not feel good about yourself, it has a physical effect on your appearance. And I'm going to prove that to you today. I can't believe that I'm going to show you this. Well, I'm not embarrassed to show you this at all. And I'll also tell you that there is a young lady that I work with, and I can tell every day when I see her that she is very, very unhappy in her life because it is very apparent on her face that she is not happy. And so now if anybody from work watches this, they're going to be asking me, is it me? Is it me? And the reason that I know this to be true is because I spent many, many, many years of my life extremely unhappy, and I have pictures to prove it, and I'm going to show that to you. When things around you do not make you happy or do not cause you joy, it physically affects you. And that is why I wanted to wish for you in February for you to cleanse or purify spaces, inboxes, drawers, closets, your mind, your friend list, whatever it is that you need to cleanse, clean up, or purify to make yourself happy. So this is my driver's license. It's my driver's license from 1996. is when this was issued to me. I was 26 years old. And I want you to look at my face and look at how extremely unhappy I am. I carry this driver's license with me in my wallet to remind me not to ever let myself get into that headspace again. And it's such a big difference when I look at this and I think, oh, such a waste for my 26-year-old self to be carrying around all of that sadness and all of that dislike for herself. So, if you are feeling any of those feelings for the month of February, you can let all of those things go. You can declutter all of that. It really does affect you, the things that are around you, the things that get in and you hold on to or carry around with you. So this is your reminder for February. Declutter, cleanse, purify, and have an amazing February. As always, we are all beautiful at any age, and that's whether we have on makeup or not. I truly, truly, from the bottom of my heart, want all of you to have an amazing 2022. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, you probably need to declutter some of that makeup that you have, or fishing lures, or that big pile of clothes over in the corner of your room. Something you need to declutter so that you can be happy too, okay? Mama loves you, boo.